Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we will see how to prepare a pineapple jam sweet, for which we will need the following ingredients. 1 large pineapple diced into cubes, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts and 1 tablespoon of raisins, 1 tablespoon of ghee, that is clarified butter. You can also use unsalted butter, and some pineapple flavoring. Since I don't have pineapple flavoring, I am using the ice cream flavor. You can use the pineapple flavor. First, in about half a cup of boiling water, I am going to add the pineapple cubes and I am going to cook them covered with a lid for about 5 to 10 minutes until very little amount of water, because pineapple tends to shed more amount of water. You can see there is more water than we have used. Just check whether it is cooked by piercing it hardly. If it is soft, then you can stop it, or else cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until then, and allow it to cool down to room temperature and grind it along with the juice. So if you have lot of water, very juicy, and it will become very watery, and you will need more time to cook it again. So use less water when cooking. Once again, pour the batter into a pan and we are going to cook this until it becomes thick and moisture is absorbed. I am going to add the sugar little by little. Just check it. It is a trial and error method, because each pineapple has its own sweetness. So if it is not sweet, you will need more sugar, and if you are using a sweet pineapple, you will need only less sugar. So there is no exact quantity of sugar. Just use little by little, taste it and add accordingly. I am adding a little bit of yellow food color to give yellowish color to the sweet. You can see it is good to have some bright yellow color on it. Now allow this to come to a boil and keep on stirring it periodically. You have to cook until all the moisture is absorbed and it becomes a thick mixture. It will take around about 10 to 15 minutes depending upon the water content you have. So that asking you to use less amount of water. So when it is almost half thickened, I am going to melt the 1 tablespoon of ghee or unclarified butter, and I am going to fry the cashew nuts and raisins. If you don't have ghee, you can also use the unsalted butter, and when the cashew nuts turn light golden brown color, I am going to add the raisins. Don't add the raisins along with the cashew nuts, because raisins get fried easily but cashews will take some time. So first add the cashew nuts, then the raisins, and add this ghee mixture to the pineapple mixture and again cook it. You can see the mixture is thickened and it splutters very thickly. So be careful at this stage, you may hurt yourself. So continue this until it becomes nice and thick like this. You can see it's almost thickened. When it is cooled down, it will get even more thicker. So at this stage you can switch off the stove and allow it to cool down a little bit before you serve. This is the exact texture, not too runny, also not very thick. This is a famous sweet in South India, usually served in marriages or functions. Try it and you will really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.